Hello, my friends. Are you ready to improve your English writing and speaking skills?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then welcome to weekend English classes. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English. Today, I am going to start unit number 2 on English grammar for beginners and children to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. So, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press, UK, as a reference. This book is designed for elementary students of English. In this unit number 2, I am going to teach you how to use the to be verb, that is am, is, are in questions correctly in our day-to-day life. So you should listen and watch this video carefully. And last but not least thing, don't give up. Watch the video and do the exercises again and again by yourself till you understand them completely. But don't give up. Okay, well, let's get started now. Also, please subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Thanks, good luck, and happy learning. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use am, is, are in our questions. In first category, we have to be careful about our helping verbs, that is am, is, are. In our previous video, that is unit number 1, we learned that how to use is, am, are in positive sentences. In that video, we noticed that those helping verbs are being placed after the subject. For example, we can say I am. But when we are going to make a question, then instead of I am, we have to put am before the subject. For example, am I? He is he? She is she? It is it? We are we? You are you? They are they? Now, you may have noticed one more thing, that all those type of questions we can answer in yes or no. Now, some more examples. What's your name? David. Are you married? No, I am not. How old are you? 25. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Am I late? No, you are on time. Is your mother at home? No, she's out. Are your parents at home? No, they are out. Is it cold in your room? Yes, a little. Your shoes are nice. Are they new? We say, is she at home? Is your mother at home? Are they new? Are your shoes new? Section B. Now we are going to learn how to use where, what, who, how, and why. All those type of question words are called WH family words. In this category, we have to place those WH family words even before the helping verb, that is, am, are. And what is the complete structure? The structure is now WH family word, then helping verb, that is, am, are, then subject, then object. And in this category, when we are going to answer, then instead of saying yes or no, we have to give answer in detail, not in yes or no. For examples, where is your mother? Is she at home? Where are you from? Canada. What color is your car? It's red. How old is Joe? He is 24. How are your parents? Are they well? These shoes are nice. How much are they? This hotel isn't very good. Why is it so expensive? Now we are going to learn how to use short forms in WH family words. For example, what's, what is, whose, who is, how's, how is, where's, where is, what's the time, where is Lucy, who's that man, how's your father. Now we are going to learn how to use am, is, are in short answers. For examples, yes, I am. No, I am not. Yes, he is. No, he is not, or he isn't. Yes, she is. No, she is not, or no, she isn't. Yes, it is. No, it's not, or no, it isn't. Yes, we are. No, we are not, or no, we aren't. Yes, you are. No, you are not. No, you aren't. Yes, they are. No, they are not. Or no, they aren't. Some more examples. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? No, I am not, but I am thirsty. Is your friend English? Yes, he is. Are these your keys? Yes, they are. That's my seat. No, it isn't. Now, this is exercises time. 2.1. Find the right answers for the questions. Number 1. Where is the camera? G. In your bag. Number 2. Is your car blue? No, it's black. Number 3. Is Kate from London? H. No, she is American. Number 4. Am I late? Yes, you are. Number 5. Where is Emmy from? A. London. Number 6. What color is your bag? E. Black. Number 7. Are you hungry? B. No, I am not. Number 8. How is George? I. Very well. Number 9. Who's that woman? D. My sister. Tip of the day. Now we are going to revise first form, second form, and third form of some irregular verbs. For example, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken, bring, brought, brought, build, built, built, buy, bought, bought. 2.2. Make questions with these words. Number 1. Is your mother at home? Number 2. Are your parents well? Number 3. Is your job interesting? Number 4. Are the shops open today? Number 5. Where are you from? Number 6. Are you interested in sport? Number 7. Is the station near here? Number 8. Are your children at school? Number 9. Why are you late? 2.3. Complete the questions. Use what, who, where, how. Number 1. How are your parents? They are very well. Number 2. Where is the bus stop? At the end of the street. Number 3. How old are your children? 5, 6, and 10. Number 4. How much are these oranges? 1.5 pound, a kilo. Number 5. What is your favorite sport? Skiing. Number 6. Who is the man in this photo? That's my father. Number 7. What color are your new shoes? Black. Now, exercise number 2.4. Write the questions. Number 1. What's your name? Paul. Number 2. Are you American? No, I am Australian. Number 3. How old are you? I am 30. Number 4. Are you a teacher? No, I am a lawyer. Number 5. Are you married? Yes, I am. Number 6. Is your wife a lawyer? No, she is a designer. Number 7. Where is she from? She is Italian. Number 8. What is her name? Anna. Number 9. How old is she? She is 27. 2.5. Write short answers. Yes, I am. No, he isn't, etc. Number 1. Are you married? No, I am not. Number 2. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. Number 3. Is it cold today? Yes, it is. Or no, it is not. Number 4. Are your hands cold? Yes, they are. No, they are not. Number 5. Is it dark now? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Number 6. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Now, exercise number AE first. Write sentences for the pictures. Use the words in the boxes. Plus, is, isn't, are, aren't. Number 1. The windows are open. Number 2. Lisa isn't happy. Number 3. Kate is a doctor. Number 4. The children are asleep. Number 5. Gary is not hungry. Number 6. The books are not on the table. Number 7. The hotel is near the station. Number 8. The bus is not full. Now, exercise number AE2. Complete the sentences. Are you hungry? No, but I am thirsty. Number 2. How are your parents? They are fine. Number 3. Is Anna at home? No, she is at work. Number 4. Where are my keys? On your desk. Number 5. Where is Paul from? Is he American or British? Number 6. It is very hot today. The temperature is 38 degrees. Number 7. Are you a teacher? No, I am a student. Number 8. What color is your umbrella? Green. Number 9. Where is your car? It is in the car park. Number 10. Are you tired? No, I am fine. Number 11. These shoes are nice. How much are they? 60 pounds. Tip of the day. Now we are going to revise first form, second form, and third form of some irregular verbs. Throw, threw, thrown. Understand, understood, understood. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. Win, won, won. Write, wrote, written. This is the end of unit number 2. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.